Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So let's look into BTC and what the algo says about it. As of right now, I did have a request, a little bit, but I did have a request on the crypto side about people asking me about BTC and whether the algo thinks it's a good time to buy. As you guys can see, I mean, from recent signals right on the bullish side for BTC, it's been relatively accurate on when to actually purchase. On the bearish side, I don't really like to use BTC as an actual indication for the algo because I don't think it's not accurate, right? I don't think it's completely accurate, not as much as on the bullish side. So as of right now, the last signal that it gave was December 9th and December 11th. And that's why you guys see that's why you guys see this pop right here, right? You guys see this initial little pop. This what is it? What day is this? I can't even click it right now to redo it. But the last signal that it actually gave was December 11th on the bullish side. Usually when it does something like this, it tends to run up a couple thousand points. At least right now in BTC, the algo is giving a solid buy right now. Man, I don't know why it's not loading up. Come on, dude, what the heck? Oh yeah, currently in the bathroom. So if you guys are like, hear noises that, just don't, just ignore the noises that I make in the background, because fucking who cares? Let me see how many positions my algo is holding. As of right now, positions, we are at currently holding, trade ID, no, we don't need that. It's currently holding one position right now that it purchased December 10th at 18.5. Currently, we are up almost 1% on it. But yeah, last actual trigger on the bullish side for BTC was on December 11th. And usually on the weekend, Bitcoin and all cryptos tend to run pretty well. So I do think that having this trigger right now, man, I'm like 95% sure that we're going to see over 20K Bitcoin by the end in like a week or so. I do think we're going to see Bitcoin at 20K in like a week, possibly 2 weeks at most. But as of right now, according to just my algo, no TA, no nothing, and just calculating average run-ups that it usually has after a bullish signal, it usually goes up a pretty good couple of thousand percentage, right? So as of right now, I am fully speculating that we will see a $20,000 Bitcoin within the next week, possibly 2 weeks, but more than likely less. I'll see you guys later.